Okay, now let's talk about the quotient rule. I want to remind you that when we had the quotient rule for exponents, that was if my base of x to the a is divided by the same base x to the b, then we subtracted their exponents. And that's how the exponent rule is going to be related to my log rule here, which you'll see in a second. If I want to expand each of these expressions using the quotient rule and then simplify, let's see what happens. The log rule says that I take the log of the numerator, so log of x, minus the log of the denominator, log of 1,000. Notice that we are subtracting here, which is similar to what we did when we talked about exponents. Okay, we're supposed to simplify if possible, just like we did in the previous example. And I can't do anything with log of x. But notice that if I'm talking about log, there's no base listed here, which means that this is the common log, or log base 10. So I've got to think, can I rewrite this expression with, can I rewrite the argument, right here, as a base of 10? And I'm choosing that because this is actually log base 10. So backing up, I have log of x minus log, or log base 10 of, now how do I rewrite 1,000 with a base of 10? 10 raised to the third power is 1,000. So this allows us to use that inverse rule that says if the base, which is understood to be 10, and the argument, which is 10, and if those two numbers are the same, then this expression evaluates to just 3. So this is log base x minus 3. And that's how we would simplify it. All right, let's try that again over here on this example. This time we're talking about the natural log. So I'm going to first rewrite this expression in its expanded form. So I have the natural log of e to the fourth, which is the numerator, minus the natural log of 8, which is the denominator. And I want to see if I can simplify what I've written here any further. I can, because natural log is a log base e. So in other words, this expression here is going to simplify to just 4. So this is 4 minus the natural log of 8. And it simplifies to just 4 by that inverse property that says that if I have a log base e of e to the fourth, then the whole expression is just simply the 4. And that's how we're going to expand and simplify using the quotient rule.